Hey guys, it's Destiny Manifeste. This is T,
And Jay.
and today we're coming back to you guys with another video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, the notification bell as well so that you're always notified when we have new content up for you guys. Let's get into it.
The beauty of Kindle publishing and the now. Historically, if you wanted to publish a book, you needed to go through a traditional publisher, and that could take up to 2 years for them to finally just view your manuscript. Nowadays, anyone has the ability to publish a book and push it out to a global audience within a single day, thanks to the power of the Amazon platform called Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP for short. What makes KDP so important to us in particular? As two business-minded siblings with dreams of living a life free of financial worries and hardships, we have tried many businesses. We ran a physical store for many years, but then had to transition to being online exclusively once the pandemic forced our small business to close down, like so many others. Our online store has been doing well and holding its own even through a pandemic, which we're grateful for. But physical product-based businesses have their own issues, and they require that you trade a lot of time for money, fulfilling orders, responding to customers, handling disputes, etc. While working on this business into the early mornings on many occasions, we realized we needed to improve our quality of life. We wanted to make more money while not having to be so hands-on all the time. We needed our money to work for us, and that is the definition of passive income. We thought about different passive income streams: real estate, dividend stocks, apps, YouTube cash cow channels, affiliate marketing, vending machines, music royalties. They were all great ideas, but the same problem arose with each one of them. If you want to make money with these streams, you need to invest lots of money. We kept doing research and then stumbled across KDP. Like you probably did, we watched plenty of YouTube channels where people were sharing insane results from self-publishing. People claimed to make an extra few $100s per month to up to $10,000 plus per month passively. And that was our aha moment. Book royalties. What we loved about this business model were 3 things. It allows self-publishers to start wherever they are financially. So if you have $0 to start with, you can always write your own books or design your own low-content books and then start earning a profit. Alternatively, if you have a few hundreds or a few thousands that you wish to invest in self-publishing, you can do that too. There's no glass ceiling that reserves this business for the well-off. Number 2, this business has scalability, meaning your earning potential is limitless. Some people make a few hundred extra per month, and some people make up to 6 figures per month self-publishing. It all depends on the time and money that you invest into the business over time. And number 3, it's one and done. You only work once on a book, but you profit forever. In essence, you're creating assets that will continue to earn you money for months, even years to come.
We knew we had to crack this business model and find a way to make it work for us. Long story short, we did. Every month, we now make enough to cover our living expenses and KDP royalties alone. Discovering this business model and jumping on this opportunity has been nothing short of a blessing in our lives. That's why we talk about it so much on our YouTube channel, to spread the word about this golden opportunity, and why we made this course, to show anyone who is interested just how we did it, in hopes that you too can get some of this life-changing income. Why share? Because there's enough abundance out there for everyone to win. That said, it's a great opportunity right now, in particular because most people have extra time on their hands right now. Many people are working from home, and many students are learning from home. There's no better time than right now to provide them with useful books, notebooks, and even game books and hobby books. Things might not always be this way forever, so take advantage of this market while it's still lucrative. That's not to say that books are going out of style. Books will always be in demand to some degree, but it may become more difficult to reach an audience in the future. Algorithms can change, etc. Why wait until that happens? You're here right now. Start working today on things that others won't so that you can live the way others can't in the future.